Is it the right time to buy or sell Meta stock? Welcome back. In this video, we'll be diving deep into Meta. We previously shared a report on our website, but today we're bringing you an even more detailed analysis. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell so you can stay up to date with our latest analysis. It's important to stay informed about any updates that could impact your investments. Take your trading decisions to the next level with our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and get free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any of the 25,000 companies worldwide. Remember, this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. As of December 7, 2023, our system has identified Meta as a buy candidate, with a score of 2.67. Now, let's take a closer look at how the stock has performed during this time. Those who followed our analysis would have experienced a remarkable gain of 13.19% since we first designated Meta as a buy candidate 24 days ago. This means that on average, the stock has generated a daily return of 0.55% since it was listed as a buy candidate. The stock is currently in the upper part of a strong rising trend in the short term, which presents a potential selling opportunity for short-term traders. It is likely to react back towards the lower part of the trend. If the stock breaks the top trend line at $371.31, it would indicate an even stronger rate of rising. Looking at the 3-month trend, there is a potential 16.24% change expected over the next 3 months. The possible return could range between 4.35% and 16.76%. Moving on to the 12-month trend, it suggests a significant 116.8% change over the next year. This could potentially result in a return ranging from 93.51% to 117.74%. So, after a year, the stock price could be anywhere between $715.35 and $804.93. Our latest update on Meta brings an important headline: weaker technical forecast for Meta as stock is downgraded to buy candidate. On the last day of trading, Thursday, January 11, 2024, the Meta stock price experienced a decrease of -0.216%, going from $370.47 to $369.67. Throughout the day, the stock price fluctuated between a low of $362.93 and a high of $372.75, reflecting a 2.71% range. Over the past period, the stock has shown some volatility, resulting in a 3.31% gain in the last 2 weeks. Interestingly, the trading volume decreased alongside the stock price, which can be considered a positive sign, as volume usually follows the stock. Specifically, the trading volume fell by -5 million shares on the last day, with a total of 17 million shares being bought and sold for approximately $6.24 billion. Looking at the broader picture, over the past 52 weeks, the stock reached its highest price at $372.94 and its lowest price at $131.76. At present, the price is 0.88%, equivalent to $3.27, below the 52-week high, and 3.81%, equivalent to $14.66, below the all-time high, which occurred on September 1, 2021, when the price reached $384.33. Today, we'll be looking at some recent analyst ratings for Meta. On Monday, January 8, 2024, Wedbush gave Meta an outperform grade with a hold action. Also on Monday, January 8, 2024, Raymond James rated Meta as strong buy with a hold action. Moving back to Monday, November 20, 2023, B. Riley Securities graded Meta as neutral with a hold action. On the same day, November 20, 2023, Wells Fargo gave Meta an equal weight grade with a hold action. And once again, on Monday, November 20, 2023, Wedbush rated Meta as outperform with a hold action. According to analysts, the overall rating for Meta stock is a buy. The PE ratio and price to book are both rated as strong buy. However, when it comes to return on investment, the analysts give the stock a rating of neutral. Let's take a look at the signals identified for Meta stock. The Meta stock is showing positive signs as it holds buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages. This indicates a favorable forecast for the stock. Additionally, there is a general buy signal from the relation between these two signals, with the short-term average positioned above the long-term average. In case of downward corrections, the stock may find support at the levels of $357.11 and $342.14. However, if the stock breaks below any of these levels, sell signals may be issued. It's worth noting that some negative signals have also been observed, which could impact the stock's near short-term development. One of these signals was a sell signal issued from a pivot top point on Wednesday, January 10, 2024, resulting in a decline of -0.216% so far. It is anticipated that the stock may experience further decline until a new bottom pivot is found. Additionally, there is currently a sell signal from the 3-month Moving Average Convergence Divergence, MACD. On the last trading day, both volume and price decreased, reducing the overall risk as volume tends to follow price movements. Here are some other signals that might be of interest to you. Moving Average Convergence Divergence, it's currently showing a sell signal. Pivots, a sell signal was generated 2 days ago. Bollinger, there was a buy signal 1 day ago. Short-term moving average, a buy signal was observed 6 days ago. Long-term moving average, a buy signal was identified 25 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicates a buy signal 46 days ago. Now let's take a look at the 12-month chart. Short moving average, a buy signal was observed 24 days ago. Long-term moving average, a buy signal was identified 52 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicates a buy signal 246 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to explore more signals. Let's talk about support, risk, and stop loss for Meta. When it comes to support levels, Meta has some key ones to watch. Currently, there is support just below today's level at $334.92 and $299.53. It's important to note that when a stock tests a support level, there is always a risk involved. If the support at $334.92 is broken, Meta may fall to the next support level at $299.53 and $288.35. Taking a look at the stock's volatility, Meta has average movements throughout the day. With good trading volume, the risk is considered to be medium. In the last day, the stock moved $9.82 between its high and low, which is equivalent to 2.71%. Over the past week, the stock has shown a daily average volatility of 2.42%. Before we discuss the potential trading levels for Meta, let's take a moment to go over some important fundamental data. First, let's talk about the price-to-earnings ratio, also known as the P/E ratio. This ratio compares a company's current share price to its per-share earnings. The P/E ratio we see here is quite typical for businesses with a long history or steady revenue streams. Moving on, we have an upcoming earnings report for Q4 2023 scheduled for February 17, 2024. Analysts' consensus estimates for this report stand at $4.75. It's important to keep an eye on these figures as they can significantly impact stock prices. Let's dive into potential day trading levels for Meta. If we observe an upward trend, the first resistance level for Meta is at $370.47. If you currently don't own any shares, it might be wise to wait for this level to be breached before considering a position. However, if you're already holding the stock, this level could be a potential opportunity for swing trading. On the downside, Meta encounters its first support level at $334.92. If this support level holds, it could serve as a favorable entry point, as we anticipate a rebound in price. The combined average rating for Meta from multiple analyst sources is buy. Now, let's dive into some recent insider trades. On January 9, 2024, Newstead Jennifer sold 566 shares of Class A common stock. On January 10, 2024, Zuckerberg sold 100 shares of Class A common stock. Also on January 10, 2024, Zuckerberg sold 50 shares of Class A common stock. Furthermore, on January 10, 2024, Zuckerberg sold 300 shares of Class A common stock. Lastly, on January 10, 2024, Zuckerberg sold 500 shares of Class A common stock. Based on the analysis of the 100 most recent insider trades, the insider power is calculated to be negative with a ratio of -37.091. In total, insiders have purchased 67,761 shares and sold 148,024 shares in the last 100 trades. For this stock, we recommend setting the stop loss at $355.98, which represents a decrease of 3.7%. This stock tends to have moderate daily movements, which indicates a moderate level of risk. Additionally, there is a sell signal from a pivot top that was identified 1 day ago. Is Meta stock a good buy? Based on our analysis, there are several positive short-term signals and a general upward trend, indicating that there may be a buying opportunity for Meta stock. However, we have slightly downgraded our analysis conclusion from a strong buy to a buy candidate due to some minor weaknesses in the technical picture. Upon examining the volatility and recent movements in the market, our system suggests that the current price of Meta stock is overvalued. Looking ahead to trading on Friday, January 12, we anticipate that Meta stock will open with a decrease of $1.22, starting at $368.45. Before we begin, it's important to remember that trading comes with a high risk of losing money. It's always a good idea to consult a financial advisor before making any decisions to buy or sell securities. Please note that StockInvest.us should not be the sole basis for your investment choices. By using the information provided, you agree to take responsibility for your own investment decisions. Welcome to Stock Invest. Today, we're taking a closer look at the current view of the stock. We value your opinion, so please share your thoughts in the comments below. What target do you have in mind for this stock? Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more insightful content. We hope you have a successful trading experience and a wonderful day. Regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.